Well, I've got two beams that I want to bring to the building site here in the woods. Problem is, all of my rope is being used. I've got a post here that's not dug in the ground. It's balancing on top of a rock. So I've got guy lines holding that one up. And my long towing rope, and it's slung up in the trees. So I can lift the posts and beams into place. But I want to drag some posts up from the sawmill. And I can't use the winch unless I've got a piece of rope. So what am I going to do? Well, I'm going to see if I can manhaul those beams. I mean, I could carry them, but I'd be totally exhausted by the end of it because they're quite heavy and it's a long way. So I'm going to use the skidding cone and a piece of rope, and I'm going to see how easy it is to single-handed manhaul some large timber up the hill. Let's see how I get on. I think I could just about carry this up the hill, but one thing you learn when you get to be an old man is that you've got to pace yourself. Otherwise, you'll be finished before the beginning of the day. You might wonder why I'm not using the truck and towing it. It's because I've got a suspension plate I got to repair on the truck, and so I'm borrowing my dad's car, and that doesn't have anything on it for towing. Well, it's definitely easier than carrying the beam, especially downhill. It's really easy downhill. I think the main thing is that it'll save my back. If I were to carry that on my shoulder, I'd be out of breath. It'd probably be a bit quicker. But the main thing is I'd have a sore back tomorrow. This way I don't get a sore back. And actually I can tow it right down to the meditation hut, probably without much trouble whatsoever. Downhill's a breeze.